Not sure how to use your Sharp AC remote? Model number A920JBEZ. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Sharp AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Feeling the heat? Just tap the cool button on your higher AC remote and let the chill take over. It blasts cold air instantly, making your room refreshingly cool and comfortable. Perfect for those hot summer days. Too much humidity in the air? Hit the dry button on your higher AC remote. It gently removes excess moisture, making the room feel fresh and less sticky without overcooling. Press the heat button on your higher AC remote and feel the warmth spread instantly. It turns your AC into a heater, perfect for cozy comfort during chilly winters. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. The ion button activates the plasma cluster ion function, which releases positive and negative ions to purify the air. It helps reduce odors, bacteria, and allergens, providing cleaner and fresher air indoors. Press the My Area button to focus cooling or heating on a specific zone within the room. This function directs airflow toward your selected area for faster and more personalized comfort. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Press the jet button to instantly start powerful cooling or heating at maximum fan speed, quickly bringing the room to your desired comfort level. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Want to switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit on your Sharp AC remote? Just press and hold both the temperature up and temperature down buttons together for about 3 to 5 seconds. And boom! The temperature unit flips from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Sharp AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.